Kita balik guys guys. Bener kan balik? Ku ingin engkau tahu. Kita bisa balik lagi ke sini nggak ya? Gue udah save state ini. What's wrong? Gila. Musuhku adalah kakakku katanya. Sedih banget di situ ya. What you need? When analyzing this, I can make my own mess. Wah, dia nyiptain sendiri ternyata. Dia menguasai dunia anjir. Legend of Juggernaut. This is an order, an order. Kasihan ya orang-orang gara-gara ambisi dia menguasai dunia, semuanya kena anjir. Sedih banget. Oh ini serunya bro. What the heck? Serunya belum gue selamatin ya. Apa emang harus diselamatin atau enggak sih guys? Harusnya masa depan berubah dong. Itu sim seru. Wah ini ribet nih masalah universe lagi nih. It's not your fault, mother. To sudden absolute fortress for good. Kita udah ke soda duluan ya. Love, yes. Love, I know about love, mother. Don't give up. Kita ke fortress nih. Bisa cabut aja gak sih? Bete banget anjir. Oh iya tuh. Kabutnya keluar dari situ coy. This is gate of hell. If you destroy the mist generator here, then Sokram will be free. Seriously? Aduh, BT-nya itu kalau kita muter-muter itu loh. City you did this. Let's go. Look there, a big pool of mist. Nah itu serunya bro. Apaan tuh? Oh anjir dikasih gituan bro. Wah, harus nyebrang ke sono sih. Sabar, sabar. Kiri dulu lah ya, jalur setan guys. Ini gak ada secret wall kan. Itu apa tuh? Ih goblok dah. Wah, gua ambil ya. Ada ituan guys. Peti. Ayo cepet aja keluar lah. Jadi serem banget ya. Us. Ini apa Juggernaut guys? Ini Juggernaut ini namanya. Soalnya serem. Jatuh ya. Lu jangan di situ apa, ngeri banget gua. Musuhnya apa yang akan kita lawan? Adakah yang ke skip teman-teman? Oh men, terus harus ngapain nih? Hah? Terus? Kiri atau kanan? Kiri dulu kali aja guys. Oh haha anjing. Oh Jetel. Apaan sih? Well, what a brave girl you are. It's too bad. Congkram. You're mine and now you're top. Ah, dia bisa baca pikiran guys. Wih, jadi seru dia. Have you forgotten what the mist cost? Terus? Wah, harusnya gua. Jadi serius 3. 1 lawan 1 guys. Oh enggak, 1 deh. Anjay JT bro. Ngeden dulu gak sih? Ngeden lah. Biar bisa pada miracle dah lu. Bang, udah bang. Buset dah. Musuhnya curang ya. Kenapa dia nggak pakai MP juga? Ini masa gak mati sih? Udah. Wes. See your future, I see a black future for you all. Here is a future of eternal despair, a dark wilderness. Tuh. Wah. Oh, shit, tiba-tiba terbuka. Firasatku buruk. Are you ready? Ready. Emang semudah itu, guys? Nah, itu kenapa? Kenapa anjir? Oh, kakaknya, bro. Hehehe. Kenapa tuh? Good to see you all again. You were so good to me in Congkram so long ago. I didn't know it was you. Kok dia bisa tahu ya? Udah goblok banget ya. Katanya dia bukan apa kakaknya Siti, tapi dia ngomongnya ini gitu deket banget gitu ya. Kenapa lu jahat banget sama ibu sama bapak gitu? Kan tolol ya. Ketahuan kan? Kan foolish little girl. Happy dibilang orang malu buta gini, gokil ya. Oh, Juggernaut yang ini guys, yang ngancurin itu ya. Iya, yang kayak naga itu loh guys, yang ngancurin kota. Seriously lawan nih. Wah, serius nih ngelawan dia nih. Anjir, lawan court bro. Loh. Wih, mati loh. Gokil. Sedih dia, sedih. Kenapa sih abang begitu? Wah, lowbat guys. Beli chest ya. Generator dies. Ih, jatuh ke bawah. Jangan bilang dia tadi gabung sama ini lagi. Juggernaut. Gua Juggernaut ya? Duh, MP gua habis lagi, guys. Harusnya ketimpa-timpa mah gua nedai lali. Hancur gak sih? Loh, oh hancur. Kalau jadi batu hancur, guys. In trouble. Lebih baik gini deh. Dah, terus kita lewat mana nih? Ntar dulu guys, heal dulu gak sih? Hati-hati, terakhir deh. Gila udah pada habis MP bro. Nah, terus gua harus lewat mana anjing? Guys, lewat mana anjing? Oh, ini gak sih? Kalau nggak punya gue nedai nggak sih? Loh, oh emang ceritanya kita harus pakai Door of Light aja. Let's go lah. Kita jatuh dong. Beneran jatuh bro. Wih, ditungguin loh sama cara. Tahu loh dia. It was close. You came because you wanted to help us, but how did you? Hahaha. Hey you, come down here. Siapa? Oh sini, Grante. Udah di iniin ya, diterima lagi. We were worried about you. You were watching the episode Fortress from the Air. Then we saw his terrific flash of light. So we got here as fast as we could. Grantis, that means you are a Soren again? No, I'm returning the Zero Wings as soon as I'm done with them. He said he want to live as an earthbound human. Ini manusia daratan. Cipok lagi bener. Dilihatin lagi. You're in love, aren't you? You have such a pure and honest heart. Cara. Ayo pergi. Nah, kita di mana ini? Terus kakaknya si Siti gimana tuh? Kayaknya sih Buma. Apa kita ke Buma, guys? Lah, hilang. Kenapa congkram, guys? Ya nangis, kesian banget. Jangan masa lalu dari gua lagi. Tell me what happened. Simsero around Chongkrang grew in an unstable manner. The Simsero could live only in the mist. So when the mist disappeared, the Simsero died and Chongkrang with it. Aduh, Simseronya mati, terus Congkramnya juga ke bawah mati dong. Oh meh, gila, sedih banget. Diem aja lagi. Yet they ordered us to destroy the beast generator. So City, don't blame Terra. There was no other way. No, Terra, you lied. I hate you, Terra. Bring my father back to me. Bring my mother back to me. Nangis. Iya sih. Wih, gila, langit menangis, bro. Bersama City. Ah, sedih banget, gila. Baru sampai sini nih. Ya, sedih nih. Three heroes wearing Raseru once repaired the Genesis tree and destroyed your to save the world from the mist. Jago your deeds. Raja your brave. Anjir, jadi tamat lagi. Better what troubles you encounter, never forget that. Are you going to sleep forever? Come on, wake up. Loh, iya tamat, guys. Tamat ini. MP gua full, bro. Wih, gila, tapi ngena sih. Gue penasaran situnya kemana ya. Gue pengen ke rumah dia dulu deh. Cipok. Full grown man, a hero who saved the world. Merah langsung. Mei. Oh ini ya yang ininya jago ya. Cipok. Wih gila di Cipok bro. You're having fun. What were you talking about? Ntar kamu. Did you hear that? Yes. To this show. Naksir dia. Mana Siti? Oh iya, Songnya masih hidup guys. Sitinya mana? Siti mana guys? Dia belum tamat ini. Siti, come on Siti. My mother, father, and my brothers too. I don't believe Tara anymore. Tara lied to me, so I don't like her anymore. I said I don't want to hate Tara. I want to believe her. I don't believe Tara anymore. I feel like I hate her now. Anjir, segitunya ya. You have a visitor. Siapa nih guys? Penasaran gua. Songi. How do you do? I came here to Lah, kocak banget. Have you changed your way? your friend and mine, dear old Mamet. Songy, I know you're too proud to apologize, but yeah, say you're sorry. You better say you're sorry right now. Hahaha. Apologize, you're telling me to apologize. No, that's funny. Hahaha. Udah cabut ya? Well, I see the idiot brigade still hasn't mastered taking Mamet. Take a look. Diapain itu guys? If he died, he won't be food for Juggernaut anymore. Masih hidup ya? Masih hidup, belum tamat guys. Correct, say you do have some brain, hey? Listen closely, Juggernauts, almost here. Serius? Understand you don't matter at all to me anymore. But I am the ruler of a new world, the world of the mist. Your depravity never ceases to amaze me. This Juggernaut is too late to run away, city. Seriously? Begini lagi kan? Wah, ya semuanya kena dong. Oh my god. Oh shit, man. Anjir, ditutupin. Siti jangan ngeyel kalau ini dibilangin dah. You're exclusive. Serukai, isekai serukai anjay. Was it for because of the serukai? Masuk nih. There's only one way, Serukai, and it's in Urumais. Kan udah dihancurin Urumais.